Unlimited what?
Airtel bundle.
Unlimited what?
Airtel Tigo bundle.
There's something in the middle. It starts with C.
Unlimited call bundle.
Exactly. Unlimited call bundle. So pick one of that. Let me see what you're getting. Let me see what you're getting. Wow. Congratulations. You're getting 200 Ghana cedis. Airtel Tigo money. Congratulations, Blanko.
Vitamins, ginseng, taurine, inositol.
That's right. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. They trust everyone. That's right. But this love, the road far. Sometimes they take left, you know the work, right? You know the work, middle, you know the work. Sometimes you want to kill yourself. You understand? So please, ladies, back to my question. Sponsored by Rush Energy Drink. Your expectations in a relationship, I know you've spoken about this so many times, but what do you value the most in a relationship? What do you value the most in a relationship? Nana Yeboah.
Jojo.
What's that one thing you value in your relationship?
That is why I'm called Hydra.
Hydra.
Hope you dope roll along. If you are not ready to roll along with me,
forget about it.
Forget it.
Sir?
Yes.
And how do we do that? How do we know how to roll with you?
Okay, Jojo. I love when a guy soothes me when I'm upset. And
so
also
on
yes. I want that part. I really love cuddling.
The care.
Yes, care. Cuddle me when I'm upset. And also make social plans with me. Baby, let's go to Dubai. Baby, do you have passports? Let's go and eat here. Let's go here. Let's do this. That is what I want. Make social plans with me. Hydra for you. That is the only thing that will kill the spirit in me.
Hey, Yehovah. We are on TV. Yeah. Mama, you heard your sister. Yanko.
Okay, so I like a guy who would walk up to me and tell me, Velma, you did this. Next time, don't do it. I don't want you to keep it to yourself. And
communicate
then later,
with you.
Yes.
You should communicate
that is one thing I look out for.
All right, that's a very important one as well. Ajobi, what do you value most in a relationship?
I like a guy who is hardworking and supportive, and above all, I need a swagger guy.
Swagger guy. Sir, Marjorie.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Giovanni, you actually didn't ask me why I'm single.
Oh, so
no
sorry.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was so stubborn. I followed friends, clubbing. My man didn't like that, so he created a relationship. And then when I left, I've left a lot of lessons. Like lessons.
I've learned. Wow.
Yes.
So now you're more mature. You're ready for your next relationship.
Yes.
That's very important to note. A round of applause for her. She's learned a lesson. You there, you say you don't want to learn any lesson. You? Anyway, so what do you value most in a relationship is?
I value a man that promises and work to fulfill that promise, because in my past relationship, the guy was so good. He promised me some small place to live here in Accra. He has started with it, but he didn't finish because of my stubbornness. So the man that will come in my life, anything he can do to move me is to complete the apartment for me. That's what I'll value.
Complete the apartment. Ooh. Don't ask questions about who started it. Just complete it.
Complete it.
And that's all. Okay. Holyman.
I need time. That's all I want. Time.
You want time?
Yes, time.
You don't compromise on your time?
Yes.
If he loves you truly, he should spend time.
Yes.
Baby, I'm busy. I'm sorry I couldn't make it.
I hate that. I just don't want to hear that. I need time.
I'm not the one saying it. I'm just saying it for them. I'm just saying it for them.
All
Can't
right.
I speak for them again? This one, you are like, I shouldn't even continue. Am I not a spokesperson? No. Am I not?
I don't want it.
So you don't have time for those who don't have time?
Yes.
That's right. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Essinam. Mijo.
I need attention.
Don't come. How do you want it?
He has to always get time for me when I need him.
That's all.
Yeah.
He should be there for you.
Yeah.
You understand? Attention. All the time for you. All right. Chacha.
Giovanni.
Yeah. Chacha. Talk to me. Chat. Talk to
Time
me.
wait for no man.
That's all.
All I want is the time.
That's all.
One want me time now because she said I didn't call him date new content. And he and to where anything? Giovanni, time.
That's all. 1 o'clock, me that say. Helen, hi.
Hi, Giovanni.
All right, what do you want?
I like understanding guys who give you peace of mind.
Peace of mind. Wow. All right. Precious. Go.
Respect and an understanding.
Yo, Precious, aka Madam Anda. Harriet.
Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, for me, I like guys who are trustworthy. Guys who respect ladies a lot.
All right.
Yes, and yeah, for me that's it.
Those 2 things stand tall for you.
Yes, I like guy who is someone who is open-minded because me as a make come for me. See, when I want you to be straight with me, I want a man or a guy who is straight. Like, if this is A, you tell me it's A. I would understand. Don't come and tell me it's C, D, and
it's
G.
almost B, but I say it's looking like C, D.
I say you are doing something and you don't want to say the thing, but you are doing the thing.
Small girl, you don't know the thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so those are the comments from my beautiful ladies here. Those of you in the comment section, you can equally state yours. But most importantly, please go onto the TV3 reality app and predict which of these beautiful ladies will go out on a date tonight, all right? Because I've got my first guy ready. Are you ready? Oh, come on, are you ready? Date rush! Let's check out the first profile video.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Blankson. Most people call me Blanko GH. I am 31 years of age. I'm a credit officer with Maslock. I have 2 other siblings, Patricia and Emilia.
I'm Augustina, and Emmanuel is my cousin. I prefer to call him Blanko because he's loving, caring, and hardworking.
I like people who are very truthful and tell you point blank your mistakes, and people who are very loyal. I dislike people who don't have vision, who waste most of their time doing things that are not profitable.
Blanko doesn't go for looks, but he likes loyal and respected lady.
Normally, I'm not materialistic. I don't look at face. I want someone who is very loyal, someone who is trustworthy, and someone who has vision.
Please give it up for Blanko!
Baby, make you know that. Say that you go drop me your number. Cause I know they feel they show the fuck, they wonder. Hey, now your back up, boom, boom, you the conquer. Look, see, I know they get no younger. So they want friendship where they longer. Meet me today, tomorrow I will be stronger. Girl, I they want chop you, be my hunger. I see you playing with you, but the words I'm saying is true.
My brother, how you doing? This way. Come on.
I be you,
this way, come on.
Where I will surely take you there. How you love my words,
all right. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for actor David Prince Osai. They say you look like him, pa.
Yeah, they say it.
There are a lot of people say that,
Yes.
Except that he is not blessed with your kind of afro.
Oh, thank
if you know, you know. But my brother, good to have you on.
Thank you, Giovanni.
You look like one who is ready to settle down. Is that the case?
Oh, yes.
You're serious?
Ready, yes.
Wow. So whoever you get on here, you're looking at the future together. Is that it?
They are so beautiful.
Are they?
I'm impressed.
You are impressed? You're dead. That's right. That's right. Everyone deserves love. Ladies, we've got 3 profile videos to help you make up your mind. First profile video done, after which I'll be calling. Yes, I'm already going to do that. I want to call for you to decide with your rushes. Well, you've been powered by Rush Energy Drink, the best and finest in the country, to be smart about your energy. So please, in the absence of questions, it's decision time. All right, what do we have here? Harriet. Hey, Harriet, Adeng.
Hello.
Joe. Yes, talk to me.
He's a very nice guy.
Handsome.
No doubt about that. But he made a comment in the first video.
Okay.
Me pa grow pa. Me a last born susu. But he was there. Yes. He was like, he doesn't like someone who is unserious or something like that. I can't really recall.
All right.
And I used to say, you know, me pagro. If I'm doing something like that around him, he might not like it. And he might get angry all the time.
Do you want to ask him a question? Because it's not fair for you to conclude for him. He's here.
Yes. Okay, so let me put the question to you. Like I said, I like playing around a lot. I like making jokes and all those things.
Okay.
Do you like someone like that?
I'm just like that.
That's
okay.
And
there's time for everything. That's what I meant.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Let's go to Nana Yeboah.
Jojo.
Yes, Nana.
Jojo.
Yes.
He's nice. But, Jojo, me obi am in peno kureka. I don't like speaking the truth.
Why?
Meaning, I just don't know. Maybe me piena me bane ho. Na say obisa me say, hey babe, oko here. I make a choice me come me ho.
Is Nana Yeboah your name?
Yes.
How sure are we that this is even your name?
Nana Yeboah. Giovanni, me peno kureka.
Wow. But are you willing to settle down? Are you ready to settle down?
Of course, if only the guy would change me. I swear to.
Hey, wow.
Yes. I swear.
Wow. But you know, I mean, probably a lot of you would take her, probably be faulting her for what she's saying. But you see, some people are probably like this, but they don't say it. Maybe for her to even say this, she's willing to work on herself. Or is that not the case?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, because, I mean, nobody can change you without your permission. So maybe if you're willing to work on yourself together, you can make some magic happen. But again, this is your decision. It's just after the first video. So, well, the other ladies are still there. Vilma is like, I'll be there. The rest are like, yo. So, I don't know. We'll go for our second profile.
Actually, my previous relationship,
it ended up in a mutual consent as loyalty and respect couldn't be attained.
actually, I orchestrated it because I thought the loyalty and the trust was not there. And there was lack of maturity in it, so I had to end it and focus on my career. And I think now I am fit.
But I want to make this point. The lucky girl to get Blanko wouldn't regret because he's loving and caring. Let me hit on the loving part again. He will show you the love that even although with most things, yeah.
Blanko!
Yes, I was.
Yeah. Hey, Charlie, you score points, so it was so. We hear of you, they say they chop love. Ladies, decision time. All right. Precious. What happened?
Nice guy.
Uh-huh.
But he's not my type.
It's not your type.
No.
What are you looking for in your guy again?
Oh, I want my man to be crazy a bit, like, you get it, the vibes.
Okay.
Because I'm an actress.
All right.
So I want someone who understands me and respects me.
All right.
Okay.
All right. It's not your type. All right. Okay. But Chacha, you're still on. Yes. You know they go anywhere.
I want to ask a question. Hello, my darling.
Yeah, hello.
Please, what tribe are you?
I'm a Fanti.
What?
I'm a Fanti.
All right. Any more questions? Hold him on. Any more questions? Ellen?
Please, how old are you?
I'm 31 years.
31. You mentioned 31.
Giovanni.
All right. Yes?
Do you like food? Fancies like food and meat a lot. Do you like food and meat? I mean meat, not food. Do you like meat?
I don't eat a lot.
But do you like meat?
Not a lot.
Okay.
Why do you ask, please?
Giovanni, I'm
that is not entirely true. Please. That is not entirely true. On behalf of my fancy friends, Jai Demazon. All right.
Giovanni.
Yes.
I have a question.
Marjorie, Yanko.
Please, how best and how well do you take care of a home?
How best do I take care of my home?
A home. Just imagine a home. You in a home with your family. How best can you take care of a home?
Financially or?
You know, emotionally, psychologically, sexually,
And
anything, please.
And all the lilies.
All the lilies, yeah.
Actually, I'm 5-star in every aspect of that.
List it for her.
Financially, emotionally, leadership, sexually, romantic, everything.
Wow. Okay, ladies. All the lilies. Hey, Wilma. You're not even talking. You're just doing like this. You're just doing that whole. Anything you want to tell us? Essinam, I see you too. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
That's right. Okay, let's go for the final.
In the next 5 years, I want to be ahead in my field of work. I need to upgrade myself in my talent, in my business field. I want to upgrade myself in it and be a leader in everywhere I find myself.
Blanko wants to become a president in future, yeah.
Okay, based on my financial background and working as a loan officer, I think I'm going to invest, if I'm given 100,000 cedis, I'm going to invest that in the loan sector because I work on group loans, and with that money I have 3 things that I'm going to focus on: humanity, profitability, and employability. I'm going to give about 100 people 1,000 cedis each as loan. Within a year, I'm going to get interest of 24,000 from it. This withstanding the processing fee and others. And with this, I'm going to get profits over this money. I'm going to employ people, and I'm also going to help humanity with the 100,000 cedis.
Blanko's favorite color is blue because he's a Chelsea fan, yeah.
Date rush, everyone deserves love.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies. This is your final opportunity to ask questions. Your final opportunity to ask questions before we decide.
Giovanni.
Marjorie.
Straight to the guy. Where do you live?
I live and work in Kumasi.
Okay. And I'm living permanently in Takrade. So, right now, what are you doing in Accra?
Okay, my mom is here, so...
Your mom is here?
Yeah. Most of the times when I have my off, I travel to Accra to help her at her shop.
All right, how do... I want to know how well you can handle this distance relationship thing. You know, maybe I'm in Takrade and you are also working somewhere. How is that connection going to click both of us together?
Okay, first of all, distance is not a barrier to me.
Giovanni.
Distance is not a barrier to me.
Okay, okay.
I have done it and I can do it.
All right.
All right.
I'm okay.
Yes.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Why do we have phone? Communication is always there, my dear.
That's phone, okay?
See, we have video calls.
Oh, come on. I don't
we can do
video
my
calls.
darling, we'll do video call.
All right.
Joe.
Any more questions?
Joe. I don't
Hello.
do video calls.
Yes,
Joe.
Harriet.
My rash is off, but I still have the chance to turn it on, right?
Yes.
Do I still have the chance?
Yes, you do. Yes.
Okay, but if I would do that, I want to ask him just one question.
Okay.
I'm a student and an entrepreneur. I want to ask you one question. Will you advise me as a student to just focus on my studies, or I should do both? Do you understand the question?
Yeah.
As a student, would you advise me to focus on my studies and leave the entrepreneur I'm doing, or you would advise me to do both while schooling and I'm working?
Okay, I think the best decision for you to do as a student is to begin entrepreneurship whilst you are in school. That is the best. So I give a thumbs up to that.
All right.
Giovanni.
Yes. Nana Yeboah.
Jojo, I know my rash is off, but like with a question Chacha asked, Chacha replied, sorry.
Marjorie.
Yes, she was like, video call. I want to ask you, what if you are doing video call and something is at your back? Like I'm doing video call with my guy, or maybe it's a long distance relationship. I'm doing video call. I'm like, babe, where are you? Babe, I'm home. What if Meiji Omechi? How will he know So you know it's trust. I don't like distance relationship. That's all.
All right. Cha-cha. Something's at your back.
Giovanni.
Hey, Nana, your boy.
Giovanni.
Something's at your back.
Yes, Joe.
Just say, "Uni namona ukrake."
Hi, babe. Where are you? Babe, I'm home. I'm cooking. Na me je womechi.
Jaja, yes.
My dear.
Babes.
It's not true.
It's true.
It's never
It's true.
Giovanni.
Yes.
The reason is, to be a video call. Oh my dear. Like, I want to see what is around. Yeah. I trust. I have trust. So trust go.
That's Jojo, okay. All right.
Jojo, I am busy training on me.
Okay, so let's now decide. And then after that, we give him the power now to decide who he's going out with. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, you're done with the final video. Decision time. Wow. All right. Holy is off. Ellen is off. Yes. Holy. Oh. Yes.
I told you I need time.
Yeah.
Kumasi is too far for me.
But you're in Accra?
Yes.
Oh, you don't think the distance thing would help?
No, I don't like it.
The distance wouldn't help. All right. Marjorie, you're still on?
Yeah.
Let me find out from Ellen. You still believe in your meat philosophy?
No, but the way the friend was blushing, I think...
No, that's a cousin.
Secondly, he wants to be a president.
You don't want to be a first lady? Oh.
Giovanni, lastly, the long-distance relationship. My previous relationship, it was a long-distance one. And my name is Chitty won't cheat. Like my dream won't. So, if it will bounce back again.
Yeah.
Like if like sometimes the person will call you, you'll be okay. But the next minute you are thinking, what? Do you understand?
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. All right. This life, if you are too ambitious today, ladies say no. Okay, so gentlemen, Blanko, this is what we're going to do. You are in luck. Congratulations to you. Because at the end of the 3 videos, we are still having 6 rushes on. At least for this season, we've never seen this. This is the first time we are seeing something like this season, all right? Mr. President, Your Excellency, please come dancing. Put out the rushes and keep 2 on for me. Is that okay? So keep your favorite 2 on for me. Let's go.
Get it bigger all night long. All night long. Yeah.
All right. Oh, I already know the answer to the question I'm about to ask, but this is the rule. So let me ask you. This is what you want. You're sure? Yes. This is your final 2, okay? Yes, all right. That out of the way, please. I'm sure you came here with a question for them. Based on their answers, you're going to go on there, put out the rush, and take your babe away. It's that simple. And wait, before you do that, those of you who are not predicting, this is the last call. It's still very safe for you to predict who is going to be taken away on a date tonight. Please go onto the TV3 reality app or dial *713*14# and predict now. Wish you luck. Your Excellency, the question.
Okay, supposing with my presidential ambition, you belong to a different political party. Your mom belonged to that same political party. And I decide you join me. What will be your view on that?
Right, so he wants to be president one day. Your family, probably you grew up knowing one party, but he wants you to join his party because of the vision. What's your take on that?
Giovanni.
Yes, Chacha.
Minya jinam de mitinem. Party nya mi problem.
Sir. Party, Papa.
Try. Say scan everywhere. Minko ha obufwa. Udaho.
That's right. Essinam.
Yeah, I will join him because we are in a relationship, right?
Yeah.
So I had to join him so that we just stand up and join hands together.
Hey, you are just joining. She's just busy joining. But, sir, you have the final say. So you're going to come dancing based on their answers and take your date away. All right? Okay, faculty.
If I was the president or a member of the parliament, send me a 1 man penny and I send me your ship with penny. Send me a 1 man penny and I send me your ship with penny. If I was the president or a member of the parliament, if I was the president or a member of the parliament, send me a 1 man penny and I send me your ship with penny. Send me a
That's right. So congratulations to our president in waiting.
Guess who is back here? Hey, Blanko.
Yo.
Hey, woman kakra. Hey. Oh yeah, hey. You know, this is a dance you do when you get a date. That is what I'm talking about. You're back here.
Yeah. Vim.
Oh, why dear? What? Hey. Wow, nice one. When you're back, come on. But, hey, but you tried though. Like, looking at her though. But what was it like a done deal for you the moment you got on the stage?
Yeah, when I got on the stage, I saw her first, and I think she's the one I chose. So yeah.
Are you very sure of him?
Yes, I'm very sure, 100%.
100%.
Yeah,
Are you also
100%.
very sure of him?
Yeah, I knew that. I saw that from her eyes. Yeah.
Hey.
You know, I got close to her and I tried offing it, but
it didn't off.
Yeah, it didn't off. So
it didn't off. You decided to leave me that way. But congratulations, guys. You look absolutely beautiful together, and I can't wait for your date. I know it's going to be.